Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make tin fish curry with potatoes. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of your favorite tin fish, like sardines or mackerel, in oil. Also, prepare 2 medium-sized potatoes, peeled and diced. We'll use 1 large onion, 2 ripe tomatoes, and 3 cloves of garlic for our aromatic base. This simple dish is both economical and incredibly delicious, perfect for any weeknight meal. Next, we'll build our flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and sauté it until it turns translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in your minced garlic and a small piece of grated ginger, cooking for just 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, mix in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of your preferred curry powder, stirring well. Now, let's add the main components. Introduce the diced potatoes to the pot and cook them for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Pour in 1 cup of water or coconut milk, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. Carefully add the 2 cans of drained tin fish, ensuring not to break them up too much. Let the curry cook for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are perfectly tender and the sauce has thickened slightly. To finish our delightful tin fish curry, stir in about 1/4 cup of fresh chopped cilantro for a burst of freshness. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed, ensuring it's just right for your palate. Serve this warm and comforting curry immediately with a side of fluffy steamed rice or your favorite flatbread. It's a wonderfully satisfying and flavorful meal that comes together in under 45 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.